So this has been a really popular article on our website lately. So I figured I'd go ahead and make a video for you guys to show how to go ahead and set your Windows Update settings back to their defaults if you had a WSUS server in the network. It's going to be pretty short, so the article will be linked in the description so you can copy the commands instead of typing them in. There are only 3 commands that we need to run, but let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is open up PowerShell, and you want to make sure you run it as administrator. So once we are in the PowerShell prompt, we can go ahead and stop the Windows Update service. And from there, what we need to do to actually set things back to their defaults is delete the registry entry that's created whenever you use a WSUS server. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this command here and then run it. So we've deleted that registry entry. And then lastly, all we need to do is just start the Windows Update service again. So let's start the service. And that's it. If we look in the registry, there used to be, you can see that we deleted the Windows Update key that was inside of this tree here, and now it's gone. You can do that manually as well if you want to stop the service through the services console and then enter the registry and delete it that way. That's fine too, but the PowerShell commands work just as well. So again, the article will be in the description. Feel free to visit the website and keep an eye out for other articles in the future and new videos.